Welcome back to Motor Masters, the ultimate destination for car enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a true icon of American automotive history, the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air. This legendary classic represents the golden era of cars, combining style, power, and innovation that still turns heads today. The 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air marked a new era for Chevrolet, introducing the brand's first modern V8 engine and an entirely fresh design. It was part of the Tri-5 series 1955 to 1957, which became some of the most beloved classic cars ever made. With its sleek lines, chrome accents, and available two-tone paint schemes, the 55 Bel Air set a new standard in automotive styling. Under the hood, Chevrolet offered multiple engine options, but the real star was the 265 cubic inch 4.3L small block V8, Chevy's first ever small block V8. This engine produced 162 horsepower with a 2-barrel carburetor, while a more powerful 180 horsepower version was available with a 4-barrel carburetor and a high-lift cams haft. This upgrade gave the Bel Air impressive acceleration and a reputation for being a fun-to-drive cruiser. Buyers could also opt for a 235 cubic inch 3.9L inline-6, which was standard on base models. Transmission choices included a 3-speed manual, a 2-speed power glide automatic, and a 3-speed manual with overdrive for better highway efficiency. The exterior of the 1955 Bel Air featured a bold new design with a more squared-off profile, prominent front grille, and distinctive chrome trim. The available two-tone color schemes with contrasting roof colors made the Bel Air stand out, along with its stylish hood ornament and signature gold Chevrolet badging on higher trims. The wraparound windshield and elegant side trim further enhanced its upscale appearance. Inside, Chevrolet gave the Bel Air a luxurious touch with upholstered door panels, a stylish dashboard, and chrome accents. The interior was spacious and comfortable, featuring a speedometer that read up to 110 miles per hour, a large steering wheel, and an available AM radio for entertainment. Buyers could choose from several color combinations to match their exterior paint, creating a truly personalized look. One of the biggest selling points of the 1955 Bel Air was its affordable price and excellent performance. It was marketed as a car that offered luxury, power, and modern design at a price that many Americans could afford. The combination of the new small block V8, stylish design, and comfortable interior made it one of the best-selling cars of 1955. The legacy of the 1955 Chevrolet Bel Air continues to this day. It remains a favorite among collectors, hot rod builders, and classic car enthusiasts. Many have been restored, modified, or turned into high-performance drag racers, showcasing the versatility of its design. Whether in its stock form or customized with modern upgrades, the 55 Bel Air is still one of the most desirable classic cars ever made. That wraps up our deep dive into this American classic. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our latest automotive content. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more iconic cars, and let us know in the comments what classic car you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.